Lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So today I'm going to be doing a really glamorous glitter ombre acrylic set with some encapsulated 3D roses on those accent nails. So as you guys saw there, I'm just applying my second coat of primer and now I'm going right in with a nice thin layer of clear acrylic. Now for me, this helps to protect my client's natural nail plate, and it also makes it a whole lot easier when my client comes back for an infill and she wants to change out her entire design. This also gives me a nice smooth foundation to start laying my acrylic on. But just in case you missed my prep video, I would have it on the screen in the cards right now for you guys, and I also listed in my description box below under my requested videos, so you can definitely check it out. So now I'm going in with my nude nail bed mix. Now this is just a mixture of my Young Nails peach and Young Nails pink acrylic powders, and I am placing my cuticle bead, making sure that my cuticle area is nice and flush, and then I'm just going to make sure that there are no harsh lines in that nude before going in with my second bead. So now with a wetter bead than the previous one, I am going to be creating a fade with that nude acrylic powder, so making sure that it's nice and wet, and I'm going to pull it as far to the free edge as I possibly can with the body of my brush, making sure that there are no harsh lines in this nude acrylic, because I am going to go in with an iridescent glitter on top of it and I don't want to see where that nude ends. So I'm just going to repeat this step to all her nails and I'll meet you guys right back. So for my glitter fade today, I am using my favorite iridescent glitter acrylic powder, and this is Fiesta by Picasso Nails, and I would link it in the description box below for those of you who are interested. Now I did place this bead of glitter right where the nude stops, and I worked it back to the cuticle area, and after I was happy with the way that my fade looked, I continued to pull the bead of glitter acrylics all the way to the free edge of the extension. Now this way it just prevents the glitter from blending too far down to the cuticle area, and it just gives that nice even fade. So I just made sure that the free edge of the nail was completely covered in that iridescent glitter. I am going to allow this to set, and I just repeated this to 4 of her nails. Well, technically I repeated it to 8 of her nails, but I'm only showing you guys one hand on camera, so hence the reason why I'm saying 4. Here's what both of her hands looks like. We left out the middle finger on one hand and the ring finger as the accent nail on the other. Now I'm not encapsulating these nails just yet. I am going to go in on my accent nails now, and I'm going to be creating 3D roses. So we decided to do two-tone roses for this set, and I'm using the pastel pink from Tones and the Tones white acrylic powder. And to do my 3D, I'm using my Pure Color number 5 nail art brush today. And I'm just going to start off with 3 petals. Now I start with the color in the center of the petals, and then I create that seed. Now for me, I do like my flowers to look as though they have a little more dimension, so I don't always just want the colors to stay in the center. I really like when it comes out at the sides and even go through that white in the middle of the petal. So all I'm doing is I'm using the tip of my brush to cut that bead into a C. And as soon as it starts to turn matte, I'm going to start pressing the bead outwards, making sure to keep my brush, well, the tip of my brush in the center of the rose. Now, if you guys really are interested in a complete devoted tutorial towards my 3D roses, I will have it in the cards right now on the screen for you guys, so you can definitely go ahead and check that video out after. Now the only difference with my 3D roses and this one is that I am leaving my petals really flat to the nail plate because we are going to be encapsulating these. Now I'm sorry that my hand was in the way, but I did place the center bead in the middle of the rose and I did create a hole in that. So now I'm going in with my micro beads and I'm going to be placing just about 3 micro beads in the center of the rose. And after I place the micro beads, I am going to go on top of it with my clear acrylic powder. So after I was finished with my roses, I did go off camera and encapsulate all these nails, file shaped and buffed. And all that's left for me to do was apply my top coat and my cuticle oil, and that was it for this set. It was so simple but so gorgeous. Now if it is that you are not following me on Instagram, definitely check out my link in the description box below and come join the Instagram family, because I did post this set a while ago. On my Instagram you'll actually see what videos I have coming, so I will hashtag video coming soon, so you guys definitely have a preview of what's to come. And you also get pictures of what I do on a daily basis. So if that's your thing, definitely go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And if you are not on Instagram and you're on Facebook, join my Facebook page because I link the both together. Okay guys, so I am going to leave you here to watch the rest of the video because it's basically the exact same thing that I just repeated. If you enjoy this set as much as I enjoy creating this glamorous design, definitely go ahead and leave me a pink rose emoji in the comment section below with your comments. And give this video a big thumbs up. And I will say it in every video. If you're not yet subscribed and you do enjoy my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And while you are there, click on the bell right next to it and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat when I upload next. And one final thing I'd love for you guys to do for me, definitely share this video. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with anybody that just loves watching nail tutorials. And I know I said I was going like a whole minute and some ago, but I am finally done talking because I will stay and I'll ramble on and on and on through the rest of the video. So that is it guys, I am out. As always, I would love for you to keep safe and I'll see you soon.